Welcome back to FinTech Watch. Today we're focusing on ETFs or exchange-traded funds, one of the simplest ways for beginners to start investing. What makes ETFs so popular, and how can they help you grow your wealth? An ETF is like a basket of various assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, bundled into one investment. When you buy an ETF, you own small parts of all the companies in that basket. This helps reduce risk, because you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. According to Investopedia, ETFs offer diversification at a low cost. Many ETFs track major stock market indexes, like the S&P 500. Investing in ETFs is easy. Just download a brokerage app and search for ETFs that align with your goals. You can start with as little as $1 by purchasing fractional shares. Subscribe to FinTech Watch for more investing tips.